Okay, let's begin. 7 minus 7 gives us 0, and 7 minus 7 gives us 0. 0 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. But this is not our correct answer, because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses. After that, if there is exponents, we have to work exponents, and then multiplication or division, finally addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Here, first we have to work this. 7 multiplied by 7 gives us 49, and we have to copy that part, 7 minus and minus 7. And when there is to subtraction, first we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and 7 minus 49 gives us negative 42, and minus 7 gives us negative 49. This is our correct and final answer. We can write this answer here, negative 49. Thank you.